Instructional Plan Model ADDIE. Introduction. Addressing gaps in the educational topics in medicine is of vital importance for the prevention of complications of the disease. The choice of an appropriate instructional plan model can help to design the instructions that will encourage the patients to use the most effective methods of treatment of the health issue and raise their awareness of the basic principles that need to be followed. The specifics of such educational topics as the methods of managing gestational diabetes and its effect on mother and child suggest that the ADDIE model appears to suit the process of addressing the mentioned gap. The analysis of the appropriate instructional plan model. We think that the ADDIE model corresponds to the specifics of the identified gap and has a great potential for assisting us in the creation of the appropriate instructional plan. The ADDIE model is known for its wide use and effectiveness in instructional design. The model includes 5 cyclical phases aimed at assisting the specialists in the realization of a comprehensive approach to instructional design. The stages include the processes of analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation and assist the specialist in creating efficacious instructions or training. Different stages of the model. Each of the phases of the chosen model will help to realize the goals of our activity. The analysis phase includes the process of identification of the instructional problems and objectives, studying the specifics of the learner's environment, and analyzing their knowledge and special skills. The stage of analysis is supposed to reveal the details that should be taken into consideration by the instructional designer during the next phase, design. It includes a systematic and specific choice of instruments of creating the instructions that suit the features of the learning environment most. The necessary actions that should be taken on this stage are related to studying the existing variations of tools, such as exercises, interactive presentations, etc., that help the person delivering instructions to make this process easy and comprehensible for the learners. The careful choice of content is also of vital importance, as the information should correspond both to the specifics of the listeners. Media selection is another essential aspect of the design stage, as it plays a vital role in providing the interesting to the instructions among the learners. The development phase includes assembling the content assets and using of appropriate technologies to maximize the opportunity to realize the primary goals of the instructions delivery. The implementation stage refers to the procedure of using the design instructions on practice. The evaluation includes formative evaluation, which should be present at each stage of the implementation of the chosen model, and summative evaluation, which is used after the instructions are delivered to assess their effectiveness. Conclusion. The analysis of the different stages of the ADDIE model reveals that it can be used effectively for addressing the discussed gap, as educating about the methods of managing gestational diabetes and its effect on mother and child requires implementation of the comprehensive approach to choosing and delivering instructional information in the most efficient way.